Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable controlled folder access on your Windows 11 and 10 system. This is a protection layer of your files and folders. To enable this, right click on the start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to open Windows settings page. Here from the left side, go to privacy and security. Click on it. Thereafter choose Windows security from the right side. Here choose virus and threat protection from the top of the page. Protection areas, first one is virus and threat protection. Click on it. It will open in a new page, Windows security page. Open now. Here scroll down and you will find the option ransomware protection. Click on manage ransomware protection, and here you will find protect your files against threats like ransomware and see how to restore files in case of an attack. Protect files, folders and memories areas on your device from unauthorized changes by unfriendly applications. Turn the toggle button on to enable this feature and protect your files and folders. Control folder access. Now we will see how to manage control folder access on your Windows 11 and 10 system. After enabling control folder access, you will find three options is visible: block history, protected folders, allow an app through control folder access. First one is blocked history, and here you will see view the latest protection action and recommendation from Windows Security. We have recently enabled this feature, so no recent action found here. The second one is protected folders. Click on it. Protected folder will open. Here Windows system folders are protected by default. You can also add additional protected folders. All your folders automatically protected by control folder access, and if you want to add additional folders, then click on add a protected folder. Choose your folder, desired folder which you want to protect, and add to protected folder list. Select it and click on select folder. Your folder will successfully added to your protected folder list. If you want to remove any protected folder, then simply click on it and choose remove. Now we will see the third option. We have already seen two options: blocked history and protected folder. Third one is allow an app through controlled folder access. Click on it. If controlled folder access has blocked an apps you trust, you can add it as an allowed apps. This allows the apps to make changes to protected folder. Most of your apps will be allowed by controlled folder access without adding them here. Apps determined by Microsoft as friendly are always allowed. So you can add an install app, recently blocked apps, browse all apps, and you can add an allowed apps through control folder access from here. Then friends, these are the three features of your controlled folder access in Windows 11 and Windows 10. That's all.